Hi guys, good morning and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to the channel if this is the first time you're watching me. And today I am finally vlogging my day. It's a weekend, it's a Saturday, and you can see the kitchen is a mess. I woke up around 9:30 and then I had my coffee and then I was just lazing around, and now I want to cook some food since it's Saturday. Mostly on Saturdays we eat vegetarian food, so I am going to cook aloo palak, or at least I'm going to try to cook because I have never done that before. So let's go. I have this palak here. It's a lot of palak and it was around 47 baht. It was 47 baht and it was on sale, I believe. So I'm going to take out the leaves from the stem first. I need to wash it. Better angles. I'm going to try to show you while I'm cooking. I just wanted to share this recipe if you are interested. These need to go. I will not cook all of it, just this much. Sure. So basically what I'm gonna do is this half of the spinach, I'm going to blanch it and blend it with some coriander and some green chili. We are out of chilies. Just corianders, man. Just some corianders. By the way, guys, I'm not showing it, but I'm washing everything so that I don't see any bug or insect inside of it. So the next thing we need for aloo palak is obviously aloo. We get imported aloo, so it looks more like Indian aloo because the Thai potatoes, they look different. I thought in the morning, since it's Saturday, I will have a long, like a very heavy breakfast with sausage, scrambled eggs, bacon, bread, coffee, but none of that happened just because I was being lazy, and I just ended up making some coffee. Actually, I did not make it. My roommate made it for me, and that was my breakfast. And this is going to be the first meal that I will have. Potatoes are peeled and washed, ready for cutting. So, two types of palak. I am frying potato over here, and I have got onions and garlic, and this is the one for aloo palak. And here is the paste of palak, coriander, and some green chilies for saag type of thing. So that's the palak coming right. Is ready over here, and here I'm going to make the saag. The things are all garlic, onion, and tomatoes are cut for the saag. Jeera, great ingredient for cooking palak, jeera and some garlic, lots of garlic. How this is looking, the saag, and this is the aloo palak.
Who's the expert then?
I was done eating and then I received some packages. I ordered, so I'm gonna unbox. We actually have a theme workshop in office, so theme training in office. So pirates is the theme. Anand, क्यों?
पायरट का मेन निशान वही है। वाह।
Next
पायरट
one.
बनना है तो जरूरी। This poison guy.
This is my phone case with
Mainly.
I don't know what is it called. With the holder, not the charm, but the holder. So cute. My case was really dirty, so I had to.
But you will leave some cans, right? You will leave the cans behind. So you should not let him get the cans. Like if your HP is more than half, that means it's better not to let him get the cans.
Please don't ask me why I got this.
Two people. I'm sure it's two people. I'm going like
Okay. This is to tie around the waist because of that pirate theme training we have. This is actually a sarong wrap, but I want to use it. Yes. What is this? These are some backdrop, birthday party backdrop that we made. That's it. Those are all the packages.
A normal day for the whole school. And they had this teacher who's new.
How is it?
amazing. Seems like my mom.
My friend got some pineapple, so we are having pineapples right now. Seriously sweet. Also having some pineapple, having some coconut water. So I just got ready and we are going to Sikon because there's a new girl who recently moved to Thailand. It's the same girl who we went to pick up from the airport. So she recently moved to Thailand and she hasn't gotten out for shopping and she cannot really understand anything here right now. So we are going to take her shopping and make her familiar with everything that is there near her place. So we are going to Sikon Mall because she's living in the same building I used to live when I moved first to Thailand. So let's get going. So hi bolo. We have come here to get clothes for her and then we are here in Prada, I don't know, and we are here to shop. So we are here to shop for her and I'm so excited. It feels like I'm giving someone a makeover. It was my dream to do a makeover show and I'm doing it. That's it. Look at this top. This is so super cute, but she's not gonna get that because she doesn't wear these kinds, but I really find this one so cute. And this one also, it's super cute here and I really like basic tanks like this. These colors are amazing. It's only $150. They have really good collection here. I also like this dress. Look at it. It's super cute. The shop is Pradap. It's very cheap here. They also have these types of skirts, jeans. Already did some shopping there, and now we are going to season. I will show you. We are here to see some very funky clothes. They have super cute clothes. This Jay वही store से लिए सब सामान. This is the store where you can get everything according to your theme. We're here at another shop, Kanya shop. They're super cute tops. I really like this. The shoe. So we got 2 more tops from the shop. So we are now 3 tops and 1 bottom. So let's go and see what else we can buy. We are here at a socks shop so that she can buy a few pairs. 6 for 100, so we are getting here. We got 2 more tops from the shop. It was like 200, but they are so cute, these types. Just trying some shoes now. I'm here to get sandals. नॉर्मल है कि बहुत प्यारा है आजकल ऐसे ही पहनते हैं. Thank you. We are done with shopping for her. Now she wants to get some makeup stuff, so we are here at vegeterian. ये यहाँ पे कितने का है? It's 199. So we are done with all the shopping, and I am super happy with whatever we got for her, and I hope she will love her. After we finished with her makeover and then got her some beauty products, we are here to give her a haircut. I took her to a very trusted hairdresser. We always go here, so I'm very excited to see her. Hollywood hair studio, and they use really good products. Look at that. They use Kerastase and L'Oreal, and there are multiple hairstylists, so it's really good here. We are done with whatever we needed to do in Sikon, and Muskan, her name is Muskan, she is still at the salon and she's getting her hair cut, but we are going home now since it's been really long, and it will take her one hour to get her hair fixed. So we are going home. Alright guys, so I had my ramen and I am on the couch with my blanket, and there is a movie on, and that is it. That's pretty much it for my day. I think I'm gonna wrap up this video as well. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and if you did, please do not forget to like, share, subscribe. I hope you enjoyed my Saturday, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.